Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're looking at a bare firewall. The engine's off for overhaul, and while we've got the engine off, and we're going to take all the brackets and relays off, and we're going to leave on what we have, but we're going to repaint the firewall, so stay tuned for that.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So at the other end of the process, here's where you're going to arrive. You notice that everything's been painted. The heater vent's painted. The brackets for the front strut are painted. The battery box has all been done. Everything's been hung with new hardware. So it's all good to go. So while you have the engine off, take a little bit of time. And this person chose white, as many of us do. The Project Tiger had a polished firewall, but in this case you go with white for this and the inside of the cowling. And again, should you ever have a leak, the oil is going to show up as a brown stain and the fuel is going to show up as a blue stain, so it makes it very easy to identify a stain in the engine compartment. Not to mention it makes the engine compartment nice and bright and easy to find things in. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman.
And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning at night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.